Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect MemberPress to your Stripe account for both testing and live modes. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard, MemberPress, Options, and then select the Payments tab here. Next, click the plus symbol to add the new gateway and choose which gateway option you are going to be using, in this case Stripe. Then give your gateway a name. To start, I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe in test mode. The first thing you'll need to do to set up test mode will be to check the test mode box here. And notice that when I do this, live here will change the test and back again. See? With that option checked, I'm going to get my test secret and publishable keys from Stripe. So, first log into Stripe, which I've already done here. And then once logged in, you'll want to make sure that your account is set to view test data with this option. Next, click on API here where you'll be able to find those keys. And then you're going to want to simply copy over those keys, like so. You'll need to click the Reveal Test Key Token button here to reveal the secret key. Make sure that you're pasting these in the correct locations. In other words, the secret key, SK, and the publishable key, PK, in the right locations. With my test keys set, all I need to do is enter my MemberPress webhook for Stripe into my Stripe dashboard. To copy this webhook URL, simply click the little clipboard icon here. That'll copy it over. Then, returning back to my Stripe dashboard, in the API section, you're going to click Webhooks here, and then click Add Endpoint. Now simply paste in that webhook URL that you copied earlier, again making sure that there's no spaces after the URL here. And in this case I'm setting up test mode, so I want the events to be sent for test events. Make sure that you click the latest webhook version, and you want to send all event types. Then click Add Endpoint. With this set here, my gateway is now ready to be used in test mode. And all I need to do here is simply click Update Options. Now when you're ready to switch over to live mode to accept real payments, Stripe makes it really easy for you. So let me show you how you're going to do that. You're going to start by unchecking the test mode option here. Again, this will switch this over to my live, secret, and publishable keys. So I'm going to have to go in and simply copy and paste those over. So going back to my Stripe dashboard, I'm going to click on API here, and this is where I will find those keys. However, you need to first uncheck this option that we checked earlier for test mode. This will reveal my live, publishable, and secret keys. You can tell which keys they are because here it will say live or test. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and simply copy and paste those over like I did earlier. Again, clicking this box to reveal that option. And with those, all I need to do is make sure that my Stripe webhook URL is also set up for live mode. So, again, I'm going to click this icon to copy that webhook over, return back to my Stripe dashboard, and click on the webhooks option here, and then Add Endpoint. A note before I do this though, Stripe allows you to have more than one webhook entered, which is great because you can have both a test webhook setup or a live one. So I don't need to edit this one. I can simply just click to add a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that in, or paste that in, I mean. And then instead of sending test events, I want to send live events, and make sure that I'm sending all event types. And then click Add Endpoint. So you can see here that I've got this live webhook set up right now. And with that, I'm ready to go. The only thing I need to do left is to save this option. So again, I'm going to come down here and click Update Options. And with that, my gateway is ready to go. So now you know how to use your Stripe gateway in both test and live modes.